So welcome back to Aksara Desa channel. Now, wait, who am I? Okay, so my name is Danny from Dance English. Okay, and today I'm doing a favor for Mr. Tata, doing unboxing for. Yay! What is it? So this is we call it gimbal or camera stabilizer. Well, actually, it's a stabilizer for smartphone. Moza Mini, which is quite popular on YouTube. So without further ado, let's do it. First impression, it's quite sturdy, and I'm not really sure, but I think the seller put like lots of things inside to prevent from bump with hard objects. Now let's open it. It's pretty good. Okay, let's cut it from here. Now let's see what's inside. Okay. Right, if you notice, okay, when I cut this part and there is another wrap inside, which is good because this Moza Mini has some mechanism which is, I think, very dangerous if it's smashed or, yeah, you know, during the shipment sometimes they are not really careful. Now, if you can see over here, we have some bubble wrap. This is the standard of shipping. Especially for electronic devices. So we're going to cut. Okay, just open it. Okay, and then just put it away. Whoop. See. All right. So here's the bubble wrap. Okay, I can feel that like something is moving. It's better if, you know, like when you send something, especially electronic devices, make sure you put lots of plastic bags and paper inside the box to, you know, to prevent the object from bumping inside the card box. Right. Okay, so here's another bubble wrap which I like. Some maximum protection for the Moza Mini. Yeah. Okay, open it. So, whoa, okay. Oh my God, this is what you've been waiting for, guys. Here it is, our Mini-Me, yeah, Moza Mini-Me. One thing that I noticed is that this is I think it's a warranty card. It's stick here. You can take it off, okay. And here's the box, okay, pretty solid. And with the plastic, you can cut. Let's open it. Right. Okay. I first heard about this device was when I was watching YouTube about stabilizer for smartphone, and I heard that many YouTubers recommend this so much because number one, it's quite cheap, and number two, it's pretty good for a stabilizer. Just for your information, oh my God, I'm gonna cut the seal. Everybody, 3, 2, 1, yay! Okay. Yeah, for your information, the price is under $1 million, and as far as I know, the other gimbals are quite pricey. Well, unless Brica maybe, because Brica is like a competitor, but I heard that this one is better than Brica. Right, so this is the hard case, pretty solid, and it's really good, I think, for traveling. So we don't need to bring like, well, it's a better idea to bring a bag, like a sling bag, but this is okay, yeah. Ta-da-da-da-da! Okay, so here's the unit. We have this silica gel, okay, and what is this? Let's see, yeah, not really sure, maybe this is the tripod or the horseshoe. Let's just open it. Brand new. Oh, yeah, okay, so this is the tripod, yeah. You can open it like this for the stand later on if you want to put it on the table, yeah, with this thing. Okay, then let's open it. Okay, hang on. Right, so let's just put the bag away. Hang on, wait. First, let's see what we have inside. foam, and then there's another pouch, and whoa, there's another thing here. Let's see. Yeah, we have I don't know, sticker, no, just this thing. And here's the manual book, and we have the charger cable. This is like, what is it, like a smartphone charger cable, which is quite common, yeah, not type C. I'm not really sure, is it micro USB? I don't really remember. Anyway, let's put it away, put it inside the box, and zip. Right, so here's the Moza Mini, as you can see. Maybe Mr. Tata will show you how to use it later on a separate video, but what I can feel about it is, number one, what is it? Oh, this is the cap. No, what do you call it? Not the cap, seal for the ports. Right. It feels pretty good. The plastic is solid. It doesn't feel like a cheap plastic with a smooth movement like this. I think we can try it later on. But yeah, so here's the first impression of Moza Mini Stabilizer. I'm Danny. See you later. Bye.